2020 Dodge Durango. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us